Hello guys, welcome back to Cool Hobby. This is Cool Hobby. Okay, today this video I will dismantling this P1's this parts and show you how to install these parts. Okay, let's do it. Be careful here. Be careful here. Like this. And the trigger. Okay. When you dismantling these parts, you must use your hands. Hold here. Because it is very important. You can see here. If you not hold, maybe you will lost this part. Okay, like this. Okay. Okay. And about dismantling. No. I think it's easy. Look, right or left, all is okay. Left, right, all is okay. And also dismantling here, you must use your hand. Hold here, like this, hold. Okay, it's very easy. Okay. Okay. It's very easy. Like this, you can dismantle this part. Okay. Okay, and I will dismantling this part now. Okay, first you must like this. Also use your hands. Hold here, and just right. Just right, not left, because here is different. Just right. Okay, let's do it. 1, 2, 3. Hold. You must use your hands. Hold. Okay. 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 Here. Okay. You can see all these parts is dismantling. Okay, I will install now. Like this. Okay. You also need to use your hands, hold here, and like the C, A, B, C, the C. Okay, like this. Little, okay. Okay, like this is okay. Here, like this, and use your hand like this. Okay, you can put the trigger parts to here. Try it. Moment. Like this. Okay. Here. Also need like this, okay? Okay. And next. Okay. Like this. Like this. Like this. Okay. Okay. Be careful. Okay. That's good. You can see here like this. Don't worry. First you need to this part hold like this, and the here like this, and you can hold this, be careful, like this. Okay, okay, is very easy. And next, like this, the hair, be careful. Okay, okay, use your hands like this, see, like this, see, hold here, and the trigger you master like this, and 1, 2, 3, hold. Okay, it's finished. Alright, and the next okay, is very easy. And here, try it. Okay. Okay, it worked good. Very good. Okay, finished. If you like our video, please check here to subscribe us, and thank you very much. Bye bye.